We're moving on to result clauses. So that result is a little different from purpose. It really is the difference between having a purpose that you're aiming for and having something be the result of the action of the main verb. For example, number 10, Tanta tempestas erat. It was such a big storm, ut non solverant, that they didn't set sail, they didn't weigh anchor. So, tanta tempestas, such a great storm. You often see words like tanta. It's tam, ita, tantus, and seek. All right, tam, adverb, ita, adverb, tantus, adjective, seek, adverb. And they basically all mean so. And, well, tantus really means so big. And it expresses some degree of something in the main verb that leads to the result. And solverant, we've got the imperfect, active, subjunctive there. Also, notice that it's ut, non. Now, when we want to express negativity in a purpose clause, we get ne for purpose. So if it is purpose, you can tell definitively that it is purpose if there's a ne. You can tell definitively if it's result if you see ut, non. But if you just see ut, you can't tell. Let's try number 11. Tam feroces erant aves. All right, here's that key word, tam. Aves, the birds, erant, were. Tam feroces, so fierce. How fierce were they? That, okay, left bracket starting with the conjunction ut, omnes timent. Everybody feared them. Here's a typo. This should be tim-a-ant. Because we know timeo's second conjugation, so it's the ea. Sorry about that typo there. Just wanted to point that out. All right, let's try number 12. Doler erat tam ingens. There it is, tam. The sorrow was so great, ut lacrimas multas flerent, that they cried many tears. This comes from flow, flare, which means to weep or cry. So you can see, flow, flere. Whew, too many typos here. So you can see the infinitive in there. So that is the imperfect subjunctive again. All right. Result clause. Not a purpose. They don't have a purpose in crying tears. It's the result of such great sorrow. Now, number 13 doesn't have the tam, ita, tantus, sic group. Navem vastavimus, ut nullam spem haberent. We destroyed the ship. Okay, that's a fact. It's in the indicative. We've got a direct object and a verb there. Direct object's navem. Vastavimus is our verb. Now here comes the result of that destructive act. Ut nullam spem haberent, in order that they should have nullam spem, no hope. No hope. And here we have haberent, imperfect, active, subjunctive. The most common type. Nice little result clause there. And you can tell it's a result because you have ut nullam. If it were purpose, in this case, it would be ne ulla. Get it? Got to fit that ne in with the purpose clause. So instead of saying, in order that they have no hope, purpose would express it that they not have any ulam, hope, spem. So we know this is a result clause, and their despair is a result of the destruction of their ship.